Hey everybody, Will from LV Performance. Just showing you a little bit of our Suburban that we've been working on. This is kind of our camper build, more of an overland rig we're kind of go for. It's been a slow process. Been doing all kinds of stuff to this thing since we got it. It was a bit of a basket case. This needed literally everything you can think of. It's a 2000 Suburban. It needed a whole lot of love, but it's come a long way. Some of the stuff we've done is doing the secondary battery system for the house battery setup. Over here we have a battery doctor, which is what actually charges the house batteries. It's a pretty cool setup, but we'll go in more into that on a different video later. I'm just kind of giving you a brief overview on the setup. This is our primary house battery. So we're working on it. We're going to do a secondary house battery back in here. This one did originally have the rear heat and AC, as you can see. We pulled that out. We don't use that setup on it. We're going to more of a standard setup on this one. Overall, what we're wanting to do later on is do 2 batteries back here and then 1 up front. So we'll have a total of 3 of the house batteries, as well as some solar setup. Right now you can see all the HVAC unit stuff that we've removed from there, and doing some of the sound deadening and insulation. This stuff that we're using today is Kilmat. Got it from Amazon. It is really easy to work with. And also some of this stuff that we put over the windows initially, that's kind of the same stuff that they use on sunshades for the front windshield of cars. You can buy rolls of this stuff from Home Depot and Lowe's, really inexpensive. Taped it in there with some of the foil tape, and then we use some of the 3M super adhesive and put some 4-way stretch carpet over it. So you can see that's where we've done this side. Still have yet to do the other side. As you can see, we've done the Kilmat on all the rearward roof portion. This is the actual stuff right here. Part number we got is a KLM 5050. And this comes out in sheets like that. Really easy to work with, kind of tar backed. It's been great using it on all this stuff back here. And then right now on the front, we have the seats pulled out. This we have just sitting here right now. Ours originally had the center console set up, the solid console. We pulled that out, and we went to a wrecking yard and found one that had one with the center seat set up with the fold down console. We have a lid for it, just got to put it on. To do that way we could have more seating area up in the front. Also, so our daughter, when she's out camping with us, she'll be able to, we can fold this up and she can lay totally across all the seats for sleeping up there. So you can see the original console setup here, which is nice and all, but not for what we're going for on this build. Like I said, we've done quite a bit with this. We have a long way to go. We've done everything from changing all the rear control arms, the front control arms, ball joints, hub assemblies. It's had all kinds of stuff done to it. Got a long way to go, but we are excited to show you what we have in store for the rest of this build.